Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn about how you can set up a Windows 11 on kiosk mode with the Intune profile, like Intune configuration profile. So let's get started with this video. So I have logged into my Intune console. Let's go to the devices. From the devices, under go to the configuration profile, and here we'll be creating a kiosk profile. So let's go to the create and click on a create new, and now here is a Windows 10 and letter. Now select the template. So here all the templates are available, just search for the kiosk. So select the kiosk and click on the create. So here named your this configuration profile. So I'm naming just a kiosk for the Windows 11, and let's go to the next. And now here is the two options: single app full screen kiosk or the multiple app kiosk. So what does it mean? It's a like a, if you want only the one application to be to be active on your device when you are running with the kiosk mode, or you would like to be manage the multiple applications in your the kiosk mode. So let's go for the first this option, and let's see what other options are available. So single app. So under the single app we have under the user, how you want to get login into the device. So auto login, that means is it won't be ask any of the password. As you click on the profile, that without any password the device will get logged in. Now another option is a local Active Directory account, local user account. So if you select the local account, you need to be define the username, and that should have the authenticate. You need to give the proper name like the Azure AD/user.constro.com, or even you can define any of local existing account or your the AD account. Now, here is a intra Microsoft intra user or the group Windows 11. So you can define here the user or the group name. So you can add it here. It will open the Intune user profile. So you can select the username if you want to authenticate your kiosk device with the intra or the Azure AD. So here you can select the users, whichever you want to give the access or the group. Now for in my scenario, we'll be configuring this auto login. So now let me go with the auto logon, and go to the application type, which application you want. It's like a Microsoft browser, or my this Microsoft is legacy browser, the kiosk browser, and the app store. So let's see the option for this device, this browser. So this is the Edge browser. Once you log in with the kiosk mode, then only your the Microsoft browser will open here. So here is the entry. Now let's see for the legacy browser. So legacy browser will ask for your interactive signage or the public browsing in private mode. If you go with the kiosk browser, so the kiosk browser will open in when you are logged with the kiosk user or the profile. So these are the settings, you can do it over here. If you want to add the the Microsoft App Store, if you want to add any application from the the App Store, so you can go here and you can select the application which you can add here, so that particular application will launch. So these are the options available when you are configuring with the single app. And here is the option for the maintenance window. So app will be restart during this time. So automatically app will restart if you want to be configure. If you don't want to be restart your application, then do not configure this option. Now let's talk about the multi app kiosks. So let's go with this. Yes, I would like to be the target on the Windows 10 L11 in the S mode, or if you do not want to be on the S mode. Here is the user. Again, is the same option. It's auto login for the Windows. If you want to define the account, you can add it here, the account. So options are same. If you want to be a authenticate with the intra user account, you can add it here. Or if you want to add an option for HomeLens visitor, so you can add the here. so user. Now, once you do it, like let's go for the auto login, and after that, you need to define your add the Kiosk browser or add the Win32 app or add by the AMD. So these are the applications you can add it here. So let's go for the Win32 apps. Whichever apps you have, you need to define the application name here. You need to define the path from where it launched, and that application should be installed on that device or the application is ready. So all these information you need to fill out and can add it under the multiple apps. And here is the user interactive start layout. Yes, and you can give in the information here. If you do not want to be start layout, can click on no. Windows taskbar, if you want to show that Windows taskbar. So why it is showing the taskbar? Because you have the multiple apps, so you can click on the taskbar and can launch whichever application you want. Allow access to the download folder, so if you want to give the access you can do it. Specify the maintenance window, again is the same option for the maintenance window. So let me go with the profile with the single app, and will deploy on the test device. So go with the auto login, and now select here the app browser, and now here is given the website name. So when you're the Chrome will open, your the sorry Microsoft Edge will open, then which website will access by default. So let me give them my website name. This is my the website, guys. If you are not aware, this is for the blogging where I do write for this Intune and SSM blogs. So Kiosk URL I given, and it's in a public. Let's define the public, and it will refresh every in a 5 minutes. So you can define the refresh time as well. So it's a 5 minute I'm giving here. Now required the app to be restarted. So if we need to restart the application at least in a day or any specific date, so you can define it here. So it's like to restart your application, so your application will restart automatically, like daily, weekly, or the monthly. So that application will restart automatically. Now, let's go for this not to configure. Let me go for the next, and here is defined for your group. Let's go here and search for the Kiosk device deployment. So this is the group I created to test my the Kiosk profile. I did a include, and here is a one device, no user available in this group. Now go to the applicability rule, do not required. Now go to the next, and now create this. So our policy has created. If still you if still you want to modify any of settings, or you want to review the policy, so you can just refresh it and can see the policy, and then we'll add it from here. So now you can see in the policy here Kiosk for the Windows 11, and let's click here. So now here if you want to edit any of setting, you can go here and can modify it. And here you can see in the report where it got deployed, the success, error, conflict, or not applicable. So you can see it here, the result. And if you want to see the device name, click on the view report, and here device. Okay, so one device is came, the policy got succeed on the user device, and it deployed to this device. Let me go to my device, and here what I did it, let me show you. So I refresh the policy, update the policy to just uh, reduce the video time, that's all. So now go to here, and let's go to the info, and see here the Kiosk browser has policy has reached to the device. This is the policy you need to validate on the user device, and here it was synced on the 3 a.m. Now it's the time is the 3 a.m. So, guys, now this policy has reached to the devices, and now it's time to restart the device, and we'll see the result. So now let me just a minute. Now type the command here, down st, and just restart this device. And after restart this, will validate whether this Kiosk profile is working or not. So just let wait for some time. Okay, so now it's getting restart. and wait for some time. So now device got restarted and it coming back to online. Let's see the profile will be there for the kiosk or not. So just wait for a few seconds. I don't want to skip this part because it's like very important. Okay, so now it's asking for to connect again. Let's see. Okay, so now the screen has loaded and now it's showing the kiosk devices. We have not set it the password, so just you need to enter. That's all. So without password, it will log in. So we have not set it the password for this account. If you would like to set up the password, you can set up it the locally. Once you log into the device with the another account, you can set the password here, or even you can get authenticate with your Azurity. So that option also will be there. So now it's getting load. Okay, something goes wrong. Let me reconnect in my Hyper-V. So now the browser is launching as we have set up. This is endusersupports.com. So under the browser, it's automatically open. So only the browser you can use it here. If you want to search anything else like google.com, so you can use that. Or if you are setting up for any of the application, that particular only the app will launch and you cannot access the any other app. So you can see there is a no button for a start menu or some other thing, so you cannot see anything else apart from this browser. Only this browser is there, and you have the session and the session. If you end the session also, then automatically it will launch because only the browser can access from this device. That's how the kiosk is working. So I kill that process and now it will launch automatically. We kill it, but it will launch automatically. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in my next video with coming up with some new interesting sessions. So thank you guys. See you soon in my coming video.